Have you ever wondered how Coca-Cola is made? That refreshing beverage that has accompanied so many generations? In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process that transforms water, sugar, and a very well-kept secret into the bubbling experience we know and love. Get ready to discover, in a friendly and close way, how each drop becomes a story and flavor in the Coca-Cola factory. Join us on this fascinating journey. Step 1. The beginning with water. To begin, imagine for a moment how essential water is in our daily lives. Just as water refreshes us and gives us life, in the making of Coca-Cola, water holds a privileged place. In this first step, we see how the company takes care of this resource from the very beginning. The water used is not the same as the one you find in any faucet. It undergoes a rigorous treatment process to ensure it meets the strictest standards from the World Health Organization, as well as local and national regulations. The production plant becomes a setting where efficiency and sustainability go hand in hand. Advanced filtration systems are applied, including sand filters and polishing filters, eliminating impurities and ensuring that every drop is pure and of the best quality. Additionally, there is constant work to optimize water use by improving bottle washing processes and recycling treated water. So after a second pass, it can be reused in other production processes. This meticulous care in selecting and treating the water is the first link in the quality chain that has made Coca-Cola recognized worldwide. Step 2. The creation of simple syrup. Once we have perfectly treated water, it's time to transform this resource into the sweet, concentrated base of the beverage. In this second step, the creation of simple syrup begins. Here, water is carefully mixed with sugar in exact proportions, following a secret formula that has been perfected over more than a century. This syrup is much more than the simple union of water and sugar. It is the result of meticulous science, where each ingredient is measured and incorporated precisely to achieve that unmistakable taste that has captured generations. The process continues with pasteurization and filtration of the syrup, which are key steps to eliminate any potential impurity or microbiological contamination. It's as if this stage gives the syrup a spiritual cleaning, preparing it to receive the special touch that will make it the essence of Coca-Cola. The combination of traditional methods and modern techniques allows for the maintenance of quality and consistency, ensuring that every batch feels like the first, full of the magic and charm that have characterized the brand since its inception. Step 3. The magic touch. With the simple syrup ready, it's time to add that unique ingredient that turns the mix into something truly special: the secret concentrate. This concentrate, whose origin dates back to the early days of the company, is provided exclusively by the Coca-Cola Company and contains the exact combination of flavors and essences that give the beverage its unmistakable personality. In this third step, the simple syrup transforms into finished syrup, acquiring a complexity of aromas and flavors that has made the beverage famous worldwide. The integration of the concentrate is done in extremely controlled conditions, where each measure is verified and calibrated so that the final product maintains the consistency consumers expect. It is a moment of high precision, where tradition, secrecy, and modernity come together. The making of the finished syrup is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating and closely monitored phases of the entire process. Every worker involved in this stage knows that they are participating in something that transcends the ordinary. They are helping create a beverage that has made history in the industry and continues to be a symbol of freshness, quality, and tradition. Step 4. The final transformation. Once the finished syrup is ready, the final transformation takes place. In this fourth step, the beverage takes shape and prepares to become the soda millions enjoy daily. The process continues with one of the most exciting stages, the production of the finished beverage. Here, treated water and finished syrup are dosed in exact proportions and mixed in a large tank, creating the base mixture that will then undergo a carbonation process. Carbonation is undoubtedly the touch of freshness that makes each bubble come to life and ensures that refreshing sensation when drinking it. The mixture is pumped through specialized pumps to the carbonator, where carbon dioxide is injected. This gas, in the precise amount, mixes with the liquid to form that characteristic effervescence, that explosion of bubbles that makes us smile with the first sip. It's a moment of pure technological magic, where science and art come together to transform a homogeneous mixture into a vibrant, refreshing beverage. The carbonation stage is critical because without it, the drink would lose that sparkling appeal that distinguishes it from any other soda. Once the optimal level of carbonation is achieved, the beverage is considered ready to move on to the next major challenge: packaging. Here, a final quality check is done to ensure that each container holds the exact proportion of the product, maintaining the standard that makes Coca-Cola recognized and appreciated worldwide. Step 5. The magic of packaging and thorough inspection. In this fifth step, the physical form of the beverage comes to life. After reaching the optimal level of carbonation and quality, Coca-Cola moves on to the packaging phase, a process full of precision and care. It all begins in a plant where bottles, cans, and other containers are prepared to receive the soda. Empty containers are moved via conveyor belts, efficiently transported to the machines responsible for filling them. Each container, whether glass, plastic, or aluminum, undergoes a rigorous quality control before being filled. A thorough visual inspection is done to discard any defective, dirty, or damaged bottles. This inspection is carried out by attentive and experienced workers, ensuring that only containers that meet strict standards are used. It's almost like a ritual, where every detail matters to guarantee the final product is flawless. Once the containers are filled, they go through a series of checks. The fill level is verified, post-filling inspections are done, and the containers are automatically coded with crucial information like the preferred consumption date, production line number, and filling time. All of this ensures perfect tracking and guarantees that each drink complies with the company's regulations and standards. Finally, the filled bottles or cans are grouped into boxes and palletized neatly for storage and later distribution. Each pallet is identified and coded, making the logistical process as efficient and secure as the production process itself. Step 6. Packaging, distribution, and quality tracking. Reaching this point means the beverage has been produced, packaged, and is now ready to conquer the world. In the 6th step, the distribution process begins. Pallets loaded with bottles and cans are transported in specially conditioned trucks to preserve the temperature and quality of the product. This meticulous logistics is essential as it ensures that Coca-Cola reaches supermarkets, stores, bars, and homes quickly and efficiently. Every truck carrying the product is part of a global distribution network that has been refined over the years, reaching efficiency and coordination levels that allow Coca-Cola to arrive in perfect condition even during high-demand days. The speed and precision of this logistics are as impressive as the production process itself. For example, some production lines can seal up to 2,200 cans per minute. Imagine that. It's like filling an entire bathtub of Coca-Cola every 20 seconds. Moreover, the company doesn't stop at the distribution process. Once the product reaches the market, a continuous system of monitoring and quality control is implemented. Periodic analysis and sampling programs are carried out to evaluate both the organoleptic characteristics, taste, aroma, texture, and the physicochemical parameters of each product batch. This post-production monitoring ensures that from the factory to the final consumer, Coca-Cola maintains its taste, freshness, and the quality that has made it a global icon. Today, when you enjoy a Coca-Cola, you are not only savoring a refreshing drink, but also a piece of history. Each bubble and each drop carries over 130 years of tradition, innovation, and commitment to quality. It is a story of perseverance, constant pursuit of perfection, and a deep connection with people around the world. The brand has learned to adapt to the changes of the times without ever losing the essence that made it so special. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. If you enjoyed learning all these details, don't hesitate to share this video and leave your comments. We want to continue connecting with you and exploring every corner of the world of manufacturing and innovation. Until next time.